What's up, guys? Here we have Honda Odyssey here. I don't know why this video keeps jumping, but basically what's happening is I'm pulling this lever here and the seat is not coming down, it's locked. And so I just bypassed it. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So the first thing we got to do is tear up the seat. Right under the seat there's this hook, and basically all it does is hook in like this. So you just run your fingers down at the bottom and then pull up on it, it'll unhook it. Once that is unhooked, there is a zipper that will pop out right here. And really all you do is zip it up and that undoes it. So this is the mechanism to the whole seat process. There's gonna be 3 yellow screws. There's one right here, and the other one was right there. There's also gonna be this pin that's pinned right into here. That just pulls straight out. I really don't know why this camera keeps shaking, but this is on my iPhone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew the covers that basically release this whole mechanism. So let me undo those first. All right, so once we remove all those screws, we can actually lift this up, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like behind it. Now this black one right here, that one actually controls the release for the back of the seat. So let's say it's stuck in this upright position. If we grab some pliers here, we just pull on that, that will release the whole seat, which is the mechanism down here. And so basically that is what's getting stuck on our car right now. So to actually, the car has a safety feature where the seat has to be up for it to, how do I describe this? For it to release from the bottom of the car. And so what it does is this safety mechanism right here, you can see, before I had this in here, this blue one, it's supposed to be, basically that is supposed to be attached on there. And so this is stuck in this position. And because this is stuck in this position, it won't allow you to push this up, which releases the seat from the bottom of the car. So how you get around that, whatever, temporarily, or if you want to do this permanently, you can take this off, and all that does is it forces this pin to stay in this position. So now it always will force the bottom of the seat to go up, even when the seat is not in the upright position. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's my fix for my car. Car's out of warranty. There may or may not be a recall out for this issue, so take it for what it's worth. But if I secure these screws on there, it'll start working again. All right, so you guys can see now the seat is somewhat put back together. But now if we pull on this lever, we can fold the seat back down now. Before we were having trouble with that. There you go. So now it's working again. It gives the cable we undid, basically, it gives it just enough slack where it will bypass the feature where this chair has to be up. But it gives it just enough slack where you can still tilt it, so it doesn't make it completely useless, basically. So with that though, you will have to use another hand, hold the chair here, and then lock it into place, and that's how you get your seat to work. Troubleshooting purposes, guys, you can also undo these 2 bolts. Say if the car seat is stuck in that position. If you actually undo these bolts, it will release the mechanism behind here where you can manually pull the cable and then release the chair from the car. So say you're moving today and you don't have time to take the car to the dealer, or you don't want to spend a fortune, you could do that for now. Now there might be a recall out for this, guys, so please do some, you know what, I'll just put in the description. If I find a recall, I'll let you guys know in the description. But this is a temporary fix before you guys can get to the dealers. Say if you need to put the chairs down, it'll work for the time being. If you found the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my channel for more car videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.